Right, just make sure that I am nicely on that. Perfect. I think that would have jumped by now. I think it's because that's on it. Just try again. Damn. Corona is insane. Let's see if I can lift it up a little bit more so that I can cover that back part. Do. There we go. Absolutely fantastic. Check this. Sorry guys, I didn't say welcome to my High Voltage 1 Rules video, guys. I'm just doing a quick video here of the arc jumping across there from a nice sharp nice out, you know, like a really good outbreak, a breakage. I can't think of the bloody name of it now. But yeah, it's a nice sharp point, so it gives it an easier way to travel across to the next one. It doesn't have to, because if you do it from like a ball, the ends are not very sharp, then it's very hard for the arc to get across to the next side. But if it's nice and sharp, then the outbreak is much easier to get across. See if we can get a little bit more closer to that, shall we guys? Because that is beautiful. That corona is insane. Frickin' hell, this... I can imagine if I made another one of those and put them back to back. Oof. Because that is a really nice flipping gap. Some serious output from that, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. Be safe, guys.